Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to upgrade Manom. We still have two preconditions for installation. One is the Manom must have been installed and run successfully before this upgrade. And the other is we make sure that Git has been installed. If your Git has not been installed yet, I will put the relative tutorial in the description below the video. Okay, to begin with, open your terminal and let's double check whether Git is already installed. We take the desktop folder as an example and enter the folder in terminal. Next, we execute the git clone command to download the Manom repository from GitHub. After that, we enter the Manom folder and install relative Python package. Let's run it as usual. Okay, it works well. Finally, let's recap the installation process.